I have this watch with me for a while. It's a Casio, pretty old school watch. When you put it in the microwave and set it for a couple seconds or maybe a couple minutes and see if what would the microwave do to this watch. Well, let's find out. Okay, let's put it in there. Ooh. Wow. It's already destroyed the watch. Only 10-15 seconds. That was quick. Very powerful microwave. Well, we can't just stop right here. Let's see, 30 seconds. What would it do? You see some flash from inside the microwave, some sparks. Ooh, we hear it click. Alright, let's see. Whoa. Well, that doesn't look good. Well, let's take it out and have a look. Oh, it's done for. Well, it's well done. I'm afraid to touch it. It might be too hot. It's so hot, I don't want to touch it. You can see some of the plastic start to melt. And this plastic cover, it's already popped up. And looks like the face of the watch is still intact. Maybe it's glass instead of plastic. The back side of the watch is still good because it's all metal, so it's not going anywhere. It will not deform, at least for the moment. Whoa, hot.